From the depths of the Chainsaw Man universe comes Makima, reimagined as an adorable bunny girl in this irresistible BiCute Bunnies figure. The fluffy bunny suit perfectly complements her signature red eyes and devilish grin. This figure is a beautiful fusion of sinister and adorable, just like the Chainsaw Man series. This figure stands around 11 inches tall and features the memorable Makima in a black bunny outfit. The figure comes with a standard BiCute Bunnies base with markings below. It also comes with a detachable bunny ears. Let's put it on Makima first. That looks good. Makima is wearing a high-waist short with a sleeveless top and a black ribbon on it. Of course, the real mesh stockings is on this figure. She is wearing a pair of black boots that makes her unique from other BiCute figures. Most of the BiCute bunnies are wearing swimsuits and stilettos. The back is very detailed and well sculpted. Hair and skin tones are good. Build quality feels nice and solid, and they have great presence on the shelf. This figure is a great addition for the Bunnies collection. I can't wait for the release of Power BiCute Bunnies. They look good together on display. Now, let's skip to the highlights.
From the smash hit Chainsaw Man anime series comes the BiCute Bunnies Makima figure by FuRyu. This figure stands around 11 inches tall and features the memorable Makima in a black bunny outfit. Be sure to add this figure to your Chainsaw Man collection.